Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along, despite being in our quarantine. Snappy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves, take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. The month of May for Pisces, well, there's nothing wrong with searching for the right place to shine. If more people were as adventurous and as daring as you, then the world would be a lot happier. However, the Mercury Jupiter square on April 25th is making it hard to tell if your search for something new might not be based on running away from something tedious. Nobody likes doing the spade work, it's dull and repetitive. Yet you're engaged in a process where you are setting the stage for great things to come. It would be a shame to jettison this right when you are on the verge of getting somewhere. You will be happy to note that this is a month where you actually need to work for yourself. This is also a month which speaks of high insensitivity caused by the loose talk of other people. It is important to overlook these things and not take it personally and carry on with your tasks. You also tend to be eloquent with your thoughts. Both speaking and thinking should be controlled to a large extent. This is a matter of happiness that you can finally be doing things the way you want by keeping yourself in control. The planetary strength is situated in the lower half of the chart during this month. So, Pisces personality can attend to family affairs and work towards peace and progress of the family. Career issues will not be important, and you have to focus on enhancing your emotional quotient. So, in regards to your entire month, I would say the family environment will be cordial. The month is very much favorable for academic pursuits by the students, and this should surely make you happy. In regards to your love and relationship, it is affected by lower vitality during the second half of the month. You are also subject to financial stresses in this period. However, Venus is positive and it will help in your marital harmony. Singles will have a problem in attracting the opposite sex as the personal magnetism is kind of weak because you're too much of yourself now. So, love will be lucky, but during the second half of the month. In regards to your family, well, it suggests that they are delightful for family issues. You will have the cooperation and blessings of senior people. They also appreciate your efforts to maintain harmony in the family environment. There will be celebrations and merriment which will enhance the happiness of the members. In regards to the health, well, it's not very optimistic about health prospects. The majority of the planets are having an adverse impact. It requires all your energy to maintain your mental health. Concentrate on emotional stability through relaxation and rest. Avoid conflicts and stressful activities. Meditation and a good fitness regime will reduce your health problems. In regards to your career, well, it suggests prospects for the career will be very much negative this month, but not to lose heart. You will be burdened with too much work, but the compensation may not seem proportionate, but in coming times it will be compensated. Travel for personal, professional purposes is not very beneficial. Job satisfaction will be missing, and the environment at the workplace may not seem congenial as for now, because you must understand everybody is undergoing quite an angst in their own mind and the restlessness in their own mind. So just be patient, hang in there. In regards to your finances, though it does not indicate good time for finances, because retrograde of Mars is hurting your money flow. But after the 20th of May, it is hurting. So till 20th, you can actually make your major procurements and investments. They should be made before the 20th, ideally before the 10th of May. Financial conflict with the family members and contacts will have a negative impact on the cash flow. Your energy levels are bound to be low, and you're not in a position to exert yourself to boost your earnings. In regards your education, well, it predicts a wonderful time for educational purpose. If you're pursuing creative arts and entertainment fields, you will be highly successful. People intent on advanced education will get entry into the right institutions without much problem. Passing competitive examinations will be quite easy with normal effect. In regards to your travel, well, for Pisces, this month indicates a large amount of inland and overseas travel. However, there are hardly any tangible benefits from these journeys. Even business and professional travel are not productive. It is preferable to postpone your trips to a more favorable date in the future, or probably do virtual traveling so that you connect online with the people that you really think are important. Though for you Pisceans, it may sound a little contradictory this entire month of May, but you need to be happy in the situations that are congenial and work towards situations or work towards more proactive way to the things that can be set right so that the future comes back bountiful to you. So hang in there, be patient, and don't lose heart. So good luck for the month of May. And trust me, the rest of the months that follow, if you're proactive, things are definitely going to be very good for you. Well, before we come to an end, of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations, you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.